I just tested a stack of espresso machines, so you don't have to. Today, the top 4 espresso machines you can buy in 2025. Can they deliver cafe-quality shots at home with consistent temps and real steam power? I ran real-world tests for home baristas, latte lovers, students, and small kitchens. No brochure fluff. We're talking pressure control, PID temperature, built-in grinder, steam power, and milk texture. Are these actually good, or just spec sheet hype? We're about to find out. Key buyer criteria that actually matter. Watch for these. An on-screen checklist will pop up as we go. Usability matters. Single or double shot buttons, shot timers, and clear temp or pressure feedback. Also check steam wand power, milk frothing control, and heat up time. We're going to pull dial-in shots, grind, dose, tamp, and taste for clarity and balance, measure shot times, pressure curves, and temperature stability, and push steam performance, and milk texture, dairy and oat for latte art readiness. Here's what's coming. Pick 1. Best beginner semi-automatic for consistent extractions. Pick 2. Best machine with a built-in grinder for compact setups. Pick 3. Best steam power for silky latte art microfoam. Pick 4. Best value compact for small kitchens. Links and latest picks are in the description. Let's brew. First up, Breville Barista Express, Best 877XL. Third wave coffee at home, beans to espresso in under a minute, part of Breville's Barista series in brushed stainless. Dose control grinding. The integrated conical burr grinder feeds fresh grounds straight into the 54mm porta filter. Use the grind size dial to fine-tune your shot. Optimal water pressure starts with low pressure pre-infusion, then ramps up for a balanced extraction and fuller flavor. Precise extraction comes from PID temperature control. Stable heat equals consistent crema and sweetness. The powerful steam wand creates silky microfoam for latte art. Texture milk, then pour with control. Capacity check, half-pound bean hopper, 67-ounce water tank. Pull single or double shots and adjust grind amount on the fly. Workflow: grind to portafilter, tamp, pre-infuse, extract, dial-in control without extra gear. In the box, 54mm portafilter, single and dual wall baskets, tamper, razor dose tool, stainless milk jug, and a cleaning kit. Controls are intuitive: grind size dial, adjustable grind amount, and a pressure gauge to guide your shot. Shot quality: gentle bloom, steady flow, tiger-striped crema, the hallmark of a well-balanced extraction. Steam demo: stretch, then texture milk, finish with a clean tulip or rosetta pour. Specs: 1600 watts, 120 volts, 1-year warranty, durable brushed stainless build that's made for daily use. Price, at capture, $695.99. Check the latest via the links. Bonus: receive 2 free bags with select promos. Best for home baristas who want control and a grinder built in. Dial in fast, pour cafe quality at home. Next up, Gaggia RI9380 46 E24, classic pro vibes in brushed stainless, made in Italy. Compact, all-steel housing with a commercial 58mm portafilter for cafe-style shots at home. Load, dose, and tamp, 58mm basket, firm, even pressure. Then lock in that hefty portafilter. Solid metal parts feel pro and seat with a satisfying click. 9-bar extractions with a commercial 3-way solenoid, fast pressure release, dry pucks, cleaner back flushes, and a group that's ready for the next shot sooner. Watch the stream go honey thick, even flow, rich crema, no spurting. Classic lever switch control means you call the shot time every time. Then steam. The commercial wand snaps to power fast. Rolls silky microfoam for latte art without fighting a pressurized tip. Finish with a pour, fine paint-like texture, glossy sheen, thanks to true microfoam. Cappuccinos, flat whites, macchiatos, dial in your style. Built to last and service at home. Simple, rocker switches, accessible internals, and that 3-way solenoid keeps the puck dry and the group clean. Power on, heat up, ready light. Classic workflow. Pop in a basket, dose, tamp, and you're pulling a cafe-grade shot in minutes. In the box. Single and double shot baskets, a pressurized basket, metal portafilter, tamper, and scoop. Start pulling day 1. Macro tour. Brushed steel panels, sturdy group, solid rocker switches, industrial vibe that looks great on any counter. Use cases. Espresso purists who want to grind, tamp, and time their shots, flat whites, cortados, and lattes with real microfoam, manual control, durable build. Price at capture. $453.57. 9% off. Prices move. Check the links below for the latest. Best for purists who prefer a manual workflow, real 58mm hardware, and a self-serviceable tank of a machine. Made in Italy. Number 3. Ninja Luxe Café 3-in-1 ES601, Espresso, drip, and rapid cold brew in one compact machine. Double or quad shots, classic or rich drip, even over ice, one countertop, all your coffee. Integrated conical burr grinder with 25 grind settings. Dial in for light roast to dark, espresso to pour over. Barista Assist Tech suggests grind size, doses by weight with a built-in scale, and tunes brew temp and pressure on the fly. The assisted tamper forms a perfect puck, smooth, even resistance. Then, it stows neatly with the built-in storage. Drip modes cover classic, rich, and over ice, brew mug, travel cup, half carafe, or full carafe on demand. Rapid cold brew extracts smooth, low-bitterness coffee fast. Perfect over ice, without watering it down. Dual froth system is hands-free. Choose steamed milk, thin microfoam, thick microfoam, or chilled cold foam for iced drinks. Watch the presets in action. Silky latte foam, dense cappuccino foam, and a glossy cold foam topper for iced lattes. In the box, machine, portafilter, baskets, assisted tamper, milk wand, carafe, cleaning tools, and water filter. It can even pull a cold-pressed espresso, great for espresso martinis, or low-acid iced shots. Active temperature and pressure management keep shots consistent. Crema, body, and sweetness stay locked in. Grinder to scale, adjust the wheel, auto-dose to target grams, tamp, lock in and brew. Barista, flow made simple. Price at capture. $499.95, 17% off. Prices move. Check the latest via the links below. Best for households that want one machine to handle espresso shots, daily drip, and quick cold brew. No second gadget needed. Morning espresso, double shot, dense crema, done. Afternoon drip, rich profile, or brew over ice. Evening treat, cold foam over a chilled shot. Versatility dialed? Note: Ninja Number 1 best-selling espresso maker 2025 YTD. Source cited as provided. Links are below. Grab the ES601 and start dialing in tonight. Fourth pick, Gevi Commercial Espresso, compact, stainless, and built to bring cafe shots home. 20-bar pump with NTC temperature control and pre-infusion. Watch the pressure gauge climb for a consistent extraction. The steam wand packs power, pop off the froth nozzle for control, and whip up silky microfoam for latte art. Full stainless housing with a compact footprint, fits tight counters without sacrificing performance. Intuitive controls and a semi-automatic workflow. Grind, tamp, lock in, and pull, a rich crema-top shot. Hot water function for Americanos or tea, plus a cup warming deck so your shots stay piping hot, backed by a 12-month warranty and lifetime tech support through official channels. Price at capture, $138.99, 31% off. Links below, check the latest price. Best for budget buyers who want cafe-style espresso, lattes, and Americanos at home, without the bulk. Real-world pull, gauge rises, pre-infusion wets the puck, then a steady stream for balanced flavor. See that first drip? That's pre-infusion, reduces channeling and helps crema stay thick and even. Steam wand demo, stretch milk to glossy microfoam, then pour a smooth heart. Hot water on tap, top your shot for a clean Americano in seconds. Practical touches, cup warmer up top and a removable drip tray for quick cleanup. Maintenance is simple. Purge the wand, rinse the nozzle, and you're ready for the next round. Use cases, straight espresso, cappuccinos, lattes, and tea or Americanos for guests. Compact, fast, reliable. Check the links for current pricing. Deals change, and I've pinned the best offers below. Bottom line, a compact stainless 20-bar machine with real pre-infusion, powerful steam, and hot water. Café drinks at a budget price. Here's your quick roundup and buying guide for 4 espresso machines: Breville Barista Express, integrated grinder, PID temperature control, and latte art steam power. Price $695.99 at Capture. Gaggia RI93800 46, 58mm commercial portafilter, true 9-bar, 3-way, solenoid, made in Italy. Price $453.57 at Capture. Ninja Luxe Café, ES601, 3-in-1 versatility with grinder, weight-based dosing, and froth presets. Price $499.95 at Capture. Gevi commercial, 20-bar pump, compact footprint, hot water spout for Americanos and tea. Price $138.999 at Capture. Decision Guide, home barista control and steaming. Breville, manual purist with café parts. Gaggia, all-in-one versatility. Ninja, best budget starter. Gevi. Links are in the description. Prices change. Check latest. If this helped, subscribe for more tested picks and tutorials. Thanks for watching.